Well, howdy, folks. General back to you. Gonna teach you a little something. Now, you may know this little trick, you may not. These are some pretty good gloves. They're heavy-duty gloves. Right now, if they bottom out before you're ready to, pull that up there like that and pretend like it's a balloon. And give it a little pull and it'll bottom out. Okay? Alright. Now they're on. And when you get ready to go do something, like a bathroom run or something other, as expensive as these blooming things are, you want to reuse them, but there ain't no pulling them off this way. Go ahead and get hold of it back here, pull it off that way. But then you got that mess. While you're holding it, stuff all that mess back up in it, like that. And you lay it down that way. That way it's ready to put on. You say, huh? Right. That's the mess. Put it in your hand like that. Guess what? It's ready to put back on. And then you can put it right back on. Okay? Pull it off. While you got it there in your hand, stuff that back in there. Put that in your hand like that. Ready to go again. Alright, when you get done with something, say you've got a bunch of garbage, let's see here. We say this is a bunch of garbage. You got it wadded up in your hand. Hold it in your hand like that. Pull this over it. And whatever that garbage was, it's up in here now. Fold it over and you dispose of it that way. That way it doesn't get on nothing. If you say it's paint or sticky or something like that, it's in here and it's not going to get on everything. Alright, y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments. This General. I'm out.